te sem preko na nyanse ni wo mutirim na brofo wo monte na jimi etare wo akoma ho nti no wo mante dia nana kronkron nana kese the glorious king of Ashanti Kotoko ekaye no muntie dia nana kaye bia na we nana eka brofo nti no jimi fo na nte onko free education I was onko Dr. Ren sorry a waye nanim so obi asesi ano ne azuma every ring mu apie nani na katakata se waye Chinese ni so waye di ani obi nim Korea ni so aye nim ajimi sam nko na boy sorry ano abetena social media na oka aden NDC abodamfo party be kwa ase akoye mo fire muni na mutiri so eno mapampa so be pa to obo mame muntie dia nana kai.
What is important now is for them to turn down the temperature form of taxes which is less painful than others. So alas, governments of all hues will raise such taxes as they find necessary to meet our needs. And alas, if we are good citizens, we have to pay our taxes. We elect people to represent us to make sure there's some equilibrium in what governments do. It is to our good that our representatives in Parliament subject the national budget to the most rigorous scrutiny and to call for changes. Governments must always also have the humility to acknowledge and embrace useful inputs from all sources. But our representatives need to also bear in mind that it is not their role to either determine policy for the executive or to frustrate them from performing their legitimate duties. The good thing is, in a democracy, is that people listen, observe and weigh what their leaders do over time, and pass their judgment at the appropriate time. So our parliamentary representatives can be assured that their contributions in the houses are not wasted. The people have noted them, and no doubt they will reflect on them when the time comes to determine the next phase in our governing process. That may be 2 years away, but that is what democracy demands. What is important now is for them to turn down the temperature and allow the process of governance to proceed so that the people retain their exclusive right to pass judgment on how they have been governed at the appropriate time. The captains of business and finance gathered here tonight need the certainty in our political climate to facilitate their successful operations. The global investment community seeks the certainty of our democratic commitment to encourage them to purchase our gold and invest in our economy. And the good people of Ghana want the reassurance that the democratic path that they have chosen remain every form of taxes which is less painful than others. So alas, governments of all hues will raise such taxes as they find necessary to meet our needs. And alas, if we are good citizens, we have to pay our taxes. We elect people to represent us to make sure there's some equilibrium.
Yo, me pacho first a year, yeah, hine kan ye ne say, government we so ye adwuma na obey adwuma so a taxes no be raise na tax be anywhere painful than others or purchase a tax be ya na so say ye pese ye onban bapa na ye man koso ne de say ye tumi ye den ye tumi tua ye fair share said ye be ya ban no so benya sika no ono so de abo oman no ho bra de ana ye hene ne first statement ya o kan ye ni me pese ye tie na obi atie say dan na ya hene kan ya ya de bonite e say Kevin Taylor ne nkwase ya Dr. Ren no etu edugu ye hene so edidi na temusa o say tax bia niwa ebi emu ohye akin ebi tax bia wo de tu nipa so a ya nanso say ye pese ye oman bapafo na na say de pese ye oman bapa no say ye tuni tua ya famu de say de be ya aban ni benye sika no watumi de ayeden watumi e de aboa afei The second phase no na fe na all parliament ho. Dia na eka the parliament was say yeah the parliament but said ye benya equal opportunities and equal opinions and equilibrium. A balance. Mo amaye science ni ade da no ye can equilibrium a motiase the balance. So at here so that there can be balance. That is why we vote for people to represent us in the House of Representatives. And on the second part here, now utum for air kind of me pachobo.
What governments do. It is to our good that our representatives in Parliament subject the national budget to the most rigorous scrutiny and to call for changes. Governments must always also have the humility to acknowledge and embrace useful inputs from all sources.
Okay. Or say, ye MP for say, Mon combra sebejum. Na mon kondima yen nipana sebe yeto aba edi mono. That is what you do. Right? You. Or say, government na say budget ya mo ye no. Mo ayede mo ekogina ho no. Ese mo subjecting it to good scrutiny. Se bronica scrutiny atrese mo pense mu ye. Emma yen nipa na mo represent ye no. Na afei so wo ye oman no government no and na say wo ye aban no so. Say wo ye welcome and say ye the opinion be ba obeye den ubetie na wo dia ye adwuma se eboa. Enti enya se nana sabe oka opposition fo nko animu o. Nana sign so to government ne fo say se opposition for no so de agenichire bi ba na se boa monfa ie ye beye budget first reading and yehu said cater see defense and other things were omitted no a minority government no make key notice to it. As a result of that, finance minister no more prepared this financial statement policy no from a year back because and yet yana was starting next one way. Do you remember 2022 near 2023? No more be started the hujuma. Enti budget your dear bano. Mu opinion na omodia but the secretary see defense no. Muntie na mu fanse which said their finance minister aye no. This is what Utumfo was saying. Me pa cho to aso.
Find that it is not a role to either determine policy for the executive or to frustrate them from performing their legitimate duties.
Pause it. Ahana Dr. Ren is Sami Gemfine one no ometiko apai no. Kevin Taylor no mugidi no. Aha. Asem we ya na no tumfo kan ye no na ma ometiko apai no na ka den. Nana say enya wo minority no wo role say who will be decide the policy for the executive to follow. Unim de ntia na netumi ka asane because na no unim constitution ne pa. Unlike Dr. Jimmy for, unlike Captain Bodan for, unlike Atechie Kwasia, unlike Abramoshie Jimmy for no. Ya papa we no say tutu no onim ye constitution na say who in opposition, you as parliament cannot dictate policies for the executive. What you do is to scrutinize the policies of government and streamline it to how it will fit everybody. Isn't it the truth? And then no tum for can wa dey we mu a enye. No ntiga na ni asantini. Why Jimmy for akodi abefo party NDC for we achi. Enti aboa boy we take sebe or to selend you to hear krabi. What